Welcome to Buster Kitchen, where even if you're not a seasoned chef, after you watch all my videos, you'll be cooking like a great chef in your own kitchen. Now, many times we go through life where we are pressed for time, don't have my time, or tired, and want to put up a quick meal in the evening and have time to do other things. That's when you resort to go cooking seafood. Seafood is a quick meal to cook and you cook in no time. So today, since we are pressed for time, we elected to cook some fish, and the main attraction is pompano. So pompano is on the menu this evening. Now, along with that, we're gonna cook some vegetables along with that, and then we'll serve with the starch of choice. You can serve with anything. Now, these are the ingredients that we're gonna go along with the fish. This is the seasoning, seafood seasoning, which is this Gulf Dutch seasoning here. It's a seafood seasoning that goes with practically any seafood. Okay. Now, here we have lemon juice. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice that is going to help enhance our flavor and serve as an acid. Normally, most foods should have some type of acid, be it lemon juice, lime juice, or vinegar, or even white wine. All right. Also, we have some olive oil over here. We have this compound butter, which is a complex mixture of butter and some herbs. I have it on one of my videos, so you can check it out. That's compound butter. So, and then we have our foil line and greased roasting pan that we're going to use it. So let's go on with prepping our meals. Okay, here the pompano has been gutted and washed thoroughly. So we're gonna try and get some of this water out of it. Load it with some paper towel. And then wipe it clean so that you get rid of all the liquid. All right. In order to season this to have the best effect or best seasoned fish, we're gonna have to score some. We're gonna have to score the skin. We're gonna cut some few slashes. We're gonna just do 2 slashes on each side. Score it up. Put it back here. 2 slashes on each side, and that will help the seasoning penetrate. Since we're not gonna marinate it overnight, so 2 on each side. The pompano is one of the most flavorful, tasty fish that ever is. So check it out. Very, very tasty. And it's easy to cook because it's a flat fish. Cooks easily, quickly. All right, so now that we've scored the fish, we're gonna go ahead and season it. We're gonna season it in the baking pan. Now, before we do it, we're gonna put some olive oil. So we're gonna sprinkle some olive oil over the fish to help the season adhere to it. Just a little bit. Oops, man, got a little bit too much than I need. Okay, so now I'm gonna rub the olive oil all over the fish. Then we'll season it with the Gulf dust. Make sure that some of it penetrates the slices that you cut. Put some also right here on each side. Just liberally. You don't need to put a whole lot. But make sure you get some in the the cut section. Open the side, season as well. So on and on we go. Just make sure you get on all the sides. Not a whole lot, because this season here is awesome. It brings the best out of everything you put on. You need a whole lot. Alright, now those that are new to my channel, always remember to subscribe, like my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my shows. Alright, so now that we're done, we're going to put it on the side. Cut this lemon into half and squeeze the lemon on there. Now you got to squeeze it in your hand so you don't have any of the seed coming on there. Alright. Yeah, now we'll squeeze the lemon juice on here. You don't need to squeeze lemon juice on both sides, just one side will do. So I'm going to reserve this half for another something else. So now that we season it and put the lemon juice on it, we're going to sit it on the side and let it marinate whilst we prepare our vegetables. So we'll sit it on the side. Alright, so now here we have some onions, different color, tricolor peppers, and tricolor peppers. So we're gonna go ahead and prep that, and that's how we go. We're gonna just rough chop it. Just have to rough chop it. Alright, so just rough chop to get through something on the stove quickly. This is nothing that you need to spend a whole time on. Rough chop this, and we're gonna put this on the fish, so we don't have to go and do anything out of the ordinary. We're gonna have our protein and vegetables at the same time from the same pot. Moving along. Alright fellas, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like. This thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, just shoot me some questions and I'll be glad to answer. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to put it back on the plate and allow the fish to marinate for about maybe 20 minutes. So we'll be back on the other side and show you how to put it all together. See you. Alright, now we are back. The fish has been sitting for about 20 minutes. Okay, so we'll proceed. We're going to put this wonderful compound butter on there. That will give it an excellent flavor. Now, if you want to see how the compound butter is made, check my other videos and to show you how to do it. It's flavorful with different herbs, and you can freeze it. Whatever is left, you can wrap it up and freeze it and use it whenever you need it. It's wonderful. Alright, so this should be enough to get this little one here, because I'm going to freeze the rest for another dish. So now that we've done this, we're going to top it with our veggies to let it cook. They'll all cook at the same time. That's a very simple and delicious dish. Very delicious. So try it, give it a try, and let me know how you like it. The compound butter and the residue of the seasoning is going to also flavor our vegetables same time. Now we're gonna throw a little bit, not much, of this seasoning on here, this wonderful gold dust. And I said we'll already preheated our oven to 400 degrees. So let me go and remove this to the trash. We'll put it in there. We're gonna leave it on wrap. We're not gonna wrap it up. You can wrap it if you want. It will expedite it, but I like to get some caramel to caramelize it. So just go and put it in. 400 degrees oven for about 25 minutes. So we'll be back when it's all done. All right, we are back, and this is our finished product. We just took this out of the oven. It went for about 25 minutes, and as you can see, it's built up a little crust on top. Everything is nice and done. It smells wonderful, smells amazing, and I tell you, I can't wait to taste it. So let's go ahead and dish. Got a couple of fish in here. All right, so we get a couple. Now over here we have the garlic roasted potatoes that we did earlier. So it's gonna accompany our fish. And these are the vegetables that we roasted along with the fish. So let's get this closer. Get some veggies on here. It's just a one-step meal. Okay, we got our protein, our starch, and veggies right here, all in one. So that should be good enough. Put this back here. All right. Okay, now let's see. We'll sprinkle some chopped parsley over it. Give it a little garniture. Give it a taste test. All right, so without further ado, let's give it a taste test and see what we labored for. It smells amazing. It smells so wonderful, and it's so juicy and fluffy. Man, this is unbelievable. The taste is amazing. Too delicious. I'm telling you. You gotta give it a try and see. I don't have to convince you. It is good. All right, get a little bit of this garlic roasted potatoes along with some of the fish. Get a little bit of this green vegetable over here. This is real good. All right, so go give it a try, and check out my videos. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye now.